In this very short tutorial, we'll just have a look at how natural killer cells go about doing their work. So in this diagram here, the natural killer cell is this one. Over here we have a virally infected cell, or a viral infected cell. And over here we have a phagocyte. Which will have ingested some virus particles, and in the process will produce chemical signaling molecules called cytokines. So let's have a look at that. So the phagocyte will release cytokine signaling molecules after engulfing various virus particles. Viral infected cells will release another chemical signaling molecule called interferon. And the NK cell will produce two kinds of protein molecules that are relevant to this discussion. First of all, it will produce a protein molecule called perforin. So through exocytosis, perforin molecules will travel in response to the signals of interferon and cytokine to the viral infected cell and effectively punch holes or perforate the membrane of the virally infected cell. And this in turn will allow the second kind of protein involved here, which is a particular kind of a protease, which will also exit the NK cell and travel into the viral infected cell through the pores punched through the cell membrane by the perforin. The proteases will then stimulate apoptosis in the viral infected cell, so programmed cell death, which will cause the entire cell to destroy itself, including the virus particles. So the cell systematically destroys itself, and therefore the virus particles are not available for release to the outside. So let's just label the perforin. So these dots here are perforin, which was mentioned up there, and the orange coloured molecules will be a special kind of protease, so an enzyme capable of breaking down protease. Okay, and that should give you a reasonable explanation of how an NK cell works. It's part of the second line of defence, second level of defence, so it's a generalised response to any virally infected cell, and NK cells also work against tumour cells, cancerous cells, in the same way. And just to finish off quickly, this is a photo of an NK cell here attacking a virally infected cell or a tumour cell.